In this video, I will show you how to change your Facebook password if you've forgotten while logging. So the steps are so simple to follow on Android device as well as on iOS device. So let's go. Now open your Facebook. So to change your password if you've forgotten, tap on this menu at the top right side. So scroll all the way to down and tap on this settings and privacy and tap on these settings. So in this section, tap on this password and security. Under this password and security, scroll to down and tap on this password and security again and tap on this change password. Under this change password, now select the account. So now as you can see now here is the place where you can be able now to change your password on Facebook. So if you forgot your password and you want to change it now, all you have to do now, tap on this forgot password. So if you tap on this forgot password, now it will take you to this option where it will ask you now to type in your, as you can see now, here it says we can send you a login code. As you can see now, here is my email that is attached to my Facebook. So now it will send me a code through this email. So tap on this continue. So now as you can see now, I'll wait for the code to arrive and enter the code in this section. So as you can see now, here is the code. Now I received the code. After you type the code, now tap on this continue button. So as you can see now in this session, now it allow you now to create a new password. All you have to do now, type a new password. So as you can see now, after you type your password, all you have to do now, tap on this next button. So as you can see now my password has been changed. So all you have to do now, tap on this continue button. So as you can see now, tap on this OK button. This OK. So as you can see now, it will take you to this option now. Select your account. As you can see, here is the account now. I'll just tap on it and log in back to my Facebook account. So that's it guys on how to change your Facebook account if you've forgotten while logging. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.